So speaking of high growth sectors, if we're looking at speaking to investors from the UK, you've spoken of oil and gas. So if you look at oil and gas, infrastructure, agro-industrial zones, clean energy, where do you think the strongest returns for investors would lie?
As we speak right now, this GDP of 61.3 in Uganda, where the question should be, Professor, where is it coming from? It is currently coming from telecommunications and banking. These are the services sectors. But the country, if you look at employment, for example, the employment figures are not coming from telecommunications and banking and service sectors. Even tourism, it is coming from agriculture, for example, which employs more than 70%. So which means you need to structurally transform the economy in that regard. Structural transformation of an economy is not growth. You can have growth without transformation. And when you have that, people will complain. Everybody is going to complain. I'm not part of this growth. If you hear people complaining that they're not part of that growth, it will mean something simple. That the factors, that the drivers of growth are coming from the wrong side. And that's what we are saying. So we want a structural transformation of the economy to ensure that the people who are employed in the largest economy are in the sector which also is contributing the largest contribution to GDP. So let me repeat it and complete that point. Our GDP of $61.3 billion, 43.3% of that is coming from telecommunications and banking, which are services. But they are not the ones which are employing, that's what I'm saying, the great number of people. So you need to make that upside down. You need to revitalize that to ensure that the sector which is contributing to the largest GDP is also the sector that is employing people. So that you have what you call inclusive growth. That's what inclusive growth is about.